Welcome back as we conclude this program with some useful maintenance suggestions. As you've probably realized, one of the biggest causes of electrical problems is a bad electrical connection. Remember that any electrical system is only as good as its poorest link, just as a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Regular inspection and cleaning of all terminals is a must if you want to minimize electrical problems, especially in the starter circuit. Battery connections must be clean and tight. We recommend that a coating of petroleum jelly or proprietary battery post gel be applied to reduce the chance of corrosion. Secure any cables that might chafe against metal parts. At the starter solenoid, ensure that the connections are clean, bright, and firmly secured. As our final tip, it always makes sense to begin any electrical system diagnosis with a thorough inspection and testing of the battery. If you haven't already done so, we strongly suggest that you learn how to test and service a battery completely by viewing the relevant Tech AV programs on that subject. That concludes this program. Join us again in other programs where you can learn more about auto electrical maintenance procedures.